Observe the pictures shown. These are butter, whipped cream, oil, and meat. What do all these food items contain? All these food items contain fats. What are fats? Let's find out in this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to give examples of fats, state the sources of fats, state the elements found in fats, state what saturated fats are, state what unsaturated fats are, compare and contrast saturated fats with unsaturated fats. Fats are essential nutrients in our healthy diet. Fats are a major source of energy. It can be found in both solid and liquid forms. The solid form is referred to as fats. When they are in liquid forms, they are called oils. Can you give some examples of food that contain fats? Fats are present naturally in many types of foods. What are the sources of fats? Plants and animals are the sources of fats. Plant fats can be obtained from oil palm fruits, corns, and peanut. Examples of these plant fats are palm oil, corn oil, and peanut oil. Animal fats can be obtained from chicken, goat, cow, and fish. Examples of these animal fats are found in egg yolk, butter, cheese, ghee, and cod liver oil. This is a representation of a fat molecule. Each molecule of fat consists of 3 molecules of fatty acids joined to 1 molecule of glycerol. Glycerol is a type of alcohol, while fatty acids are organic acids. Fatty acid molecules consist of long hydrocarbon chains. What are the elements that make up the fat molecule? Fats are organic compounds which contain the elements of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Fats are classified into 2 types. They are saturated and unsaturated fats. Click on saturated fats and unsaturated fats to know more about it. Fats that do not have double bonds in between the carbon atoms in the fatty acids are called saturated fats. Hence, the carbon atoms can hold the maximum number of hydrogen atoms. Saturated fats are mostly derived from animals. For example, meat, butter, and cheese. These fats are generally solid at room temperature. Fats that have at least 1 double bond between 2 carbon atoms in the fatty acids are called unsaturated fats. Unsaturated fats are mainly from plants. Examples of peanut oil, sunflower oil, and corn oil. Unsaturated fats are generally liquid at room temperature. These are some examples of saturated and unsaturated fats. What are the similarities and differences between saturated and unsaturated fats? Discuss this with your friends. Click Check Answer to compare your answers. The following are the similarities between saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Both have the same general molecular structure, which consists of 3 molecules of fatty acids joined to one glycerol molecule. Both function as energy storage. The following are the differences between saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats are generally solid at room temperature. Unsaturated fats are generally liquid at room temperature. Saturated fats have higher melting points compared to unsaturated fats. Saturated fats are mostly derived from animals. Unsaturated fats are mostly derived from plants. Saturated fats do not have double bonds between carbon atoms in the fatty acid. Unsaturated fats contain 1 or more double bonds between carbon atoms in the fatty acid. Get into groups. A fat molecule consists of 3 molecules of fatty acids and 1 molecule of glycerol. Fats are organic carbon compounds that contain the elements of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Fats are present in many types of foods. Fats are classified into saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Saturated and unsaturated fats are similar in its molecular structure and both function as energy storage. Saturated and unsaturated fats are different in physical state, melting point, sources, and bonding. Oils are converted into solid fats through the process of hydrogenation. A lot of products that are available in the market are made through this process. What is hydrogenation? Find out the products that are made through the process of hydrogenation. Refer to books and the Internet. Prepare a report. Present your findings to the class.